baby.
No, she's okay. She's okay.
She needs her mom.
It's all right, ma'am. Go sit back. Go sit back over there. Ma'am, go stand back over there, please. Come here. You're not leaving.
No,
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're
Please
not
don't
leaving.
touch
Sit
me.
back down. You're not
Stop.
leaving. Come on.
Deputies were dispatched to a residence on West Cahill Court in Big Pine Key after reports of a domestic disturbance. When they arrived, multiple people showed visible injuries and identified Heidi Mae Giurbino as the aggressor. As deputies attempted to take her into custody, she resisted, kicking at officers before being restrained and arrested.
Hey,
I got you. Who was it, though?
I don't know.
You don't know who it
Could be
is?
that girl. It could be my husband. They got some fucking thing going on. I don't know.
I got you.
Somebody hit me, and I don't
Do
want
you
to
need
be here.
you need any medical?
No.
All right, let's stand right here.
Uh-uh.
All right, sir. What happened? What happened?
So, here's what I know. This is my friend Michael Giurbino. That's his wife, Heidi. They're both my friends. They started fighting. Yeah, the baby was in the other room. And we were trying to separate the baby.
Confirming in route 4102.
Somebody had been drinking and starting to fight. And when we finally got them separated, she came out. And then I heard like all kinds of stuff going on.
All right.
I was in the bedroom.
All right. All right, sir.
And
So what happened?
She started beating up on my son's fiance, and my son was trying to separate the two.
I got you. So what happened today, sir?
Yeah, just too much drinking,
Too much
out
drinking.
of control. I mean, she's just hitting on everybody. Just trying to get the situation. I don't want anything to happen, but it's got to stop, and she won't stop. And now all of a sudden she's being a little.
No, I got you. I got you. So how did she end up with her lip all busted? No,
I don't know. On me,
No, I'm not blaming you for anything. I'm just saying how
she's
she
just
got
been
that.
punching everybody, falling down, drunk, obnoxious. They're all bloody up there. She's been punching everybody, breaking up the bedroom.
I got you. So she started all of this?
Yes,
Yes.
100%.
So did you hit her or did someone else hit her?
We wrestled around. They hit up there. The girl, I think her and her. I don't know. I didn't say I was holding the baby in the bedroom.
I got you. Do you have your ID on you or upstairs?
Upstairs, yeah.
All right. Can you go get it for me?
Hey, buddy.
All right, ma'am. You want to tell me your side of the story?
I don't know. I just have troubles with that guy. And we're married and we have a baby.
I got you. Go for it. Do you have your ID on you in your truck or upstairs?
I think it's upstairs.
All right.
But I'm just tired of it. I'm just so...
I got you.
I don't want to do
So
this anymore.
you can't tell me anything?
That my lip is busted?
No, I
busted my lip.
yeah, I got
That's-
like. How did all this start? How did all this start?
We're just having problems. So
Problems.
transpired into
Any arguing that started before all this?
probably, yeah.
Houses keep lighting up, vehicles are coming and going, things that subjects are doing.
You want to take a seat on these
No,
stuff right
I
here?
just want to go. I just don't
Well,
want to
you can't leave now, so
Well, I do. I want to go back home. I don't want to be
I
here
got
alone.
you. But you can't leave now. I'm
Okay, my
conducting
lip
an
is
investigation.
Busted.
I know, but if you leave, you're gonna be in a whole lot of more
No,
trouble.
I'm not leaving. I'm
All
just
right.
saying I don't want to be around him anymore.
I got you.
2048.
So you can't tell me any arguments that started before this. You can't tell me anything.
Yeah, we argued, and then
What was the
I
argument about?
said, you know, if you want to some other girl, then be my guest, do that. But I don't want to be a part of it, and my lip is busted.
How did that happen?
I don't know. I
You
literally,
don't know.
I just know. I just felt like swelling. I'm like, I don't even know how
So-
that happened.
You didn't see anybody hit you or
No,
wrestling, anything like that?
no.
I got you. Well, just stay right there for a second. Is her ID in there by chance? No.
I don't know where her.
All right. Let me just come over here.
Copy. And when you get a moment, if you'll check the notes of that CAD.
Did the baby see all this happen?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. I tried to separate her as best I could. She was blocking
So to my understanding, your son was involved too?
And his fiance.
And his fiance?
He's trying to, yeah.
She's really upset. The young girl is more upset than anybody.
Yeah, she's it's traumatic for her. She's like,
I got you. Over there for a
I
second.
just need to take my baby.
No, she's okay.
No,
She's
She
okay.
needs her mom.
It's all right, ma'am. Go sit back. Go sit back over there. Ma'am, go stand back over there, please.
Here, I need her.
We're just talking.
Ma'am, just go stand back over there, please.
She's okay.
Ma'am, just go stand back over there, please. So,
It's okay. She's okay.
Can we get a good distance away from her?
yeah. I'm the only one here, so I just got to.
No, you're good. You're good.
I got you.
Believe me.
So, what happened?
So
If you want to wait to talk so you can calm down
you're
more.
good. So her and her husband had been in a fight all night, basically, and she's been fucking this whole time. And I was just sitting out there talking to my mom because she's flying down tomorrow. I was letting her know. I was like, "Are you sure you want to go?" You know, just kind of joking with her. And
4116.
she walks out of the house, I guess, after they had stopped fighting, and she comes out and just starts. I told her, I was like, "You need to get your ass back inside." I was like,
I got you.
"You
Hold
need to
on.
go on."
Ma'am, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. You're not leaving.
No,
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're not leaving.
I'm going to get my pod.
You're
Please
not
don't
leaving.
touch
Sit
me.
back down. You're not
Stop.
leaving. Come on, stand back up. Stand back up.
No.
You want to catch?
Stop.
You want to catch a charge? Yes or
No,
no?
I'm
All right.
not.
So stand
Can
up
you
and listen
stop?
to me. Stand up and listen to me. Hands behind your back. Come on.
No, I'm not. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
Go to 1101.
No.
Where you at? Stand up. Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Come on.
I need to fix my fucking hair. What are you
Copy,
doing?
Maggie. Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Hands behind your back.
No, I'm not doing that.
Come on.
You're not doing that.
Well, you're catching.
Stop.
You're catching another charge
No,
right
I'm
now.
not.
Yes, you
Stop.
are. Come on. Hands behind your back.
Stop.
Come on.
Heidi,
Stop.
Come on.
doing that.
I don't care. Stop.
Pepper spray.
No,
So
stop.
roll over on your stomach.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach now.
Heidi, listen.
No.
Stop resisting. Roll over on your stomach
Stop.
now.
I'm not going to jail. I'm on vacation.
Come on.
I'm not going
Roll
to jail.
over now.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach now. Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Stand up.
No. Stop. Stop. No.
Well, you're going to jail now, so come
No,
on.
I'm not. Stop pushing
Come on.
on me.
You're going to jail.
You're pulling on me right now.
You're going to
Stop.
jail.
Stop.
Stand up. You're going to jail.
Stop.
So you
No,
got
I'm
hands behind your
not.
back.
Get off of my hand. That hurts.
Come on. Come on.
Please get off of me.
Come on.
Get off of me.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Stop.
Hands behind your back. Come on.
Stop. I'm not going to jail. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Roll over.
Stop.
You're going to jail, so come
No,
on.
I'm not.
You're-
Stop.
Yes, you are.
Right
Come on.
now. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
You're not doing this.
Roll over.
Stop.
Roll over. Roll over.
Stop.
Roll over on your
Stop.
stomach now.
No. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
She's going to jail, so come on.
Get
Roll
off
over on
of
your
me.
stomach.
Get off of me.
Roll over.
My lip is busted.
Roll
Get
over.
Off of me.
Turn over.
Turn over.
No.
You want to get pepper sprayed?
I don't care. Stop.
Turn over.
Stop.
Turn over.
Stop.
Turn over.
Stop. Right now. My baby is right there. Please just
All
stop.
right. So come on.
Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. You're gonna get sprayed.
I don't
okay?
care. Just stop.
Come on.
Stop.
I don't want to spray you. That shit
Stop.
burns.
I
So
don't
come on.
care. Please stop. Stop. Stop.
Don't
Get
stop.
off
Stop.
of
Stop.
me.
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me.
Turn it over. Okay.
Come on.
That's okay.
Get off of me. I'm
the other arm.
leaving. I'm leaving.
the
I
other
don't
arm.
want to do this. Stop.
Grab the other arm.
Stop. If people want to be people who are, then they can do that on their own time. Get off of me.
There you go.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Okay.
Stop.
So right there.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Come on.
Stop it. Stop.
Give me your other hand.
Stop. Stop. Right now. Stop. Stop. Stop.
All right. Give me this hand. Give me
No,
this hand.
it's not
All right.
my fault. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Let go of my cuffs. Come on. Let go of my cuff.
Then stop. Stop. Stop.
Let go of his cuff. Let go.
All service units, the everything health.
Let go. Let go. Toto, you really care. Come on. Give me that hand.
Stop. 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 I said stop.
All release in the air. All service units resume normal traffic on and release at 20 feet.
Stop. Stop.
Just hold on.
Try.
Alright, take your time.
Stop. That hurts. Stop. 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 Stop.
Alright. We're gonna stand you up now.
No, that's how it hurts.
Come on.
Get off of me. Stop.
Come on. Let's go.
Stop. Ow. 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 Stop. The hurts so bad. Stop.
Don't kick my car.
Stop. 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 Please stop.
Stand up.
Stop.
Come on. Sit down.
Stop.
Sit down.
Ah.
Sit up. Come on, let's go.
Get back to it. Get your ID back.
What am I supposed to do? I mean, I don't even know what I've never been arrested. I've had a speeding ticket my entire life. I don't know
I got
what to do with this.
Well, you're not in trouble.
Well, what do we do with her? I mean,
Saw her to the courts. She was about to just go for battery. Just how it is. Now she's going for more.
she's had felonies in the past.
Hey.
It's okay, sweetie. She's had